So in today's class, we will do little bit of grammar. Little bit. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Both of you? Yes? Yes? Now, today we will be learning about adjectives. Anyone know what are adjectives? Oh, Meda knows it. What are adjectives?
It means the object of the quality. Example, my pen. It is a blue pen.
Wonderful. So it tells you about the quality, or simply we say the words which explain about a noun is an adjective. For example, pen is a noun. It is a blue pen. So it is explaining about the pen. So blue is an adjective. Got it, Idris?
Yes.
समझ में नहीं आया? आया? नहीं आया? नहीं आया? क्या हुआ?
आया.
आया. Okay, then we will watch the PPT. We will do some serious learning today, but at the end of the class, we will have fun. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, wonderful. Yes, can you see?
Yes.
Now, who wants to read? Meda, Idris. Okay, this time Meda will get first chance. Second chance will go to Idris. Okay? Now, Meda, read.
Adjective is a describing word. It tells more about a noun, person, place, animal, or thing. Example, it is a sunny day.
Other example, Idris?
Today is a rainy morning.
Wonderful. So what is the sentence saying? Adjective is a describing word. It is describing about what? About a noun.
Word. No.
Okay. So it is a describing word. For example, Idris has a sweet smile. Where is the adjective?
Sweet.
Sweet. So it is explaining about Idris's smile. Now, Meda has a lovely hairband. Where is the adjective?
Lovely. Lovely. It is.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. It is really lovely. So you understood what is an adjective now?
Yes.
Yes. So in the example, if you see, this is your noun. Day. How is the day? It is
Because
sunny.
it describes about the morning.
Yeah, so it is sunny. This word sunny is your adjective.
Describing the day.
Yeah, it is describing the day. And if you see in the next sentence, where is the adjective?
Rainy.
Rainy. So rainy is explaining about the morning. So that will be your adjective. Got it? Now, let us have some practice sheet so that you will practice these adjectives. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
We have learned these words yesterday, right? Now we'll skip it. Now, so we have 5 choose the correct answers here. We will go one by one. Okay? Okay, Idris wants to go first once again. Okay, I'll give you today for Idris. Tomorrow in the next class, Meda will go first. Okay? So first one, Idris.
Choose the correct adjective. The sky is dark and full of thunder. It is a stormy day.
Wonderful. It is a stormy day. Next, Meda.
Air is hard to see through in the morning. It is a foggy day.
Wonderful. It is a foggy day. Now you remember all your vocabulary, yeah? Next one.
The sun is shining brightly and the sky is clear. It is a sunny day.
It is a sunny day. Next one, Meda.
The leaves are flying everywhere. It is very windy.
Very good. Next one, Idris.
I wear gloves and a scarf because it is humid. Cold, sorry. Cold.
It is cold. Now, what is the meaning of humid? Do anyone remember? What is humid? You don't know what is humid?
No.
No? Humid is where you are sweating a lot. There is no sun, but it is so hot that you are sweating, sweating, sweating. So that is called as humid. This happens when you go to an ocean or a beach, a place where there is a sea. Okay, so climate over there is humid. Okay, for example, in India, Kerala is very humid. Have you been to Kerala, Meda?
Yes, I have heard
How
Kerala.
was Kerala? Was it sweaty?
I have never visited, but I have seen it very sweaty.
Okay,
Even
so
for cows.
yes,
What English?
you said something.
Human, even for humans.
Okay, so
They
humid, Humid. Humid means a climate which is very sweaty, where we sweat a lot. Okay, so that kind of a climate is called as a humid climate. Okay. Yes. Next one. Now these are the sentences which are wrong. Now you have to identify the mistake and tell me. So Idris has found the first mistake.
It's my turn.
Okay, Idris' turn. It is Idris' turn. Okay. So second sentence will be for Meda. First sentence is for Idris. Okay. What is the correction in the first sentence?
It is a rainy day.
Good. It
a
is a
rainy day.
rainy day. The word rain is wrong. Very good, Idris. Now next one.
It is a wind today. That's a
Huh?
wrong sentence. It
Okay,
is
what's the
windy today.
The weather is windy today. Good one. Next one, Idris.
It was a coldy morning.
Is it correct? What will be the
No.
correct sentence?
It was a cold morning.
Good. It was a cold. LY will not come. It was a cold morning. Okay. Good. You are really good at this. Next one. Meda.
The sky is cloud. That's wrong. The sky is cloudy.
That's correct. Next one.
It
Idris.
is very foggy day. It is very foggy.
Yes, it is very foggy. That's really wonderful. I thought like I have to explain all these things to you. You're really good at this.